minute tip, I wanted to address a question that I still occasionally get, which is, Lisa, why would I need to work with a consultant or a broker like you? Can't I find these businesses on my own? And the answer is yes, you can find them on the own, but the question is, why would you want to? So the franchise industry has more than 4,000 registered franchises in the United States. So that just means they're a registered franchise. It doesn't mean they know anything about franchising. They might not even have any franchisees. So my full-time occupation is franchising, right? So I live, eat, breathe it. I am researching franchises. I'm talking with franchisors, management teams. So basically, I become your liaison in looking for a franchise. And so I get to know you, what you're looking for in a business, your price point, your geography, how much time you want to spend in the business, all those important things. And if you start looking for a franchise on the internet doesn't know that. They don't know that you have a great corporate position, but you travel 2 weeks a month. So you need a business that you can be out of the country a couple weeks a month. Or they don't know that this business isn't actually for you, but it's for your family. And you might be putting your son or daughter into a management position. All of those things and many, many more make a huge difference. And so the question becomes, why wouldn't you want to work with a consultant that works full-time in the industry, researches management teams, researches franchises, and truly gets to know you in order to make suggestions, several suggestions based on what she knows, not on what you think you know from a couple of ads that you're seeing when you're on social media because somewhere last week you Googled the hot franchise. So anyway, I hope that helps. I think what's important to remember is you're never going to pay more for a franchise for working with a consultant. It's a fixed fee, and the franchisors do not mark that fee up for working with a consultant. So I think the way to look at it is we can be your friend and your liaison in the franchising space and your trusted advisor when it comes to exploring a really important decision in your life. So I hope that helps.